Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to add stopwatch timer in CapCut videos. So for this what you need to do is turn on your CapCut, then you have to import these videos that you would like to edit. Then you have to simply place this in your timeline. Then what you have to do is click on the timer option from here, and then you have to simply choose it to the blend option from the basic tab, and here you have to choose the brighten option, and here you can see it will simply remove the background of your video. After that, the second method what you can do, if you want to make your video if you want to change your background, then what you can do is just click on the default option from here, and then you have to come to the mask option from here. Here you have to choose the add mask option, then you have to choose the rectangle option from here. Then you can easily upgrade it the size. Then what you can do is just go scroll down here, then you can simply round the corners by increasing it, and that's how you can easily add a stopwatch timer. If you play it, here you can see the timer is already here and it is already counting. So it is as simple as that, guys. And again, if I show you the side that how you can remove the background, you can simply click on the brighten option, and here you can see it will remove it. And here you can see the timer is going on, and also you can scale it down. For example, if you want to make it larger, you can make it larger, you can make it small as well. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.